Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is testing the 200 weekly simple moving average support that is one of the strongest supports in the history of Bitcoin. And in today's video, we will take a look whether Bitcoin is going to break it down or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame. And here we have been watching, we had a very strong support at $28,600. And every time after testing this support of $28,600, Bitcoin was nicely getting bounced and forming higher highs. But this time, unfortunately, Bitcoin has broken down this support of $28,600. And now it is testing this 200 weekly simple moving average support. And if we take a look at the previous history of the 200 weekly simple moving average, then we can see Bitcoin never broke down this support. We have tested this support here back in 2015, and we had a nice move. Again, Bitcoin tested this support here in 2018 and had a nice rally, and again tested this support here in March 2020, and we had a long spike to the downside. And after testing this support, it recovered back. The 200 weekly simple moving average at that time was at $5,500, even though we had the closing at $5,343, but it recovered back, and we had another very big rally. And right now, after this big rally, the price line is again dropped at 200 weekly simple moving average. Now we can expect that after testing this support, there can be a probability that after some sideways move at this support, Bitcoin may start another reversal move from here. And at the same time, if we take a look at the on-chain analysis, net unrealized profit loss, or NUPL, then we can see that it is getting now overheat. You can see it was overheat here back in March 2020. Before that, we had a capitulation phase here in December 2020, but at that time it was not overheat. In March 2020, this capitulation phase was overheat, and right now you can see that this capitulation phase was started here on 22nd of May, but now it has just started overheat. But there is a still probability that even after it is overheat, the price line can drop more from here, because it was started overheat here. You can see on 12th of March 2020, but even after that, we had another drop. If we take a look at the previous drop of March on this weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this drop was happened here on the candlestick that was started on the 9th of March. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart at this drop, then let me show you the drop of March 2020. This was the drop of March that was happened on 13th March 2020. And if we take a look at the capitulation phase, that was started here, approximately here at 11th of March, and then after 2 or 3 days it was dropped more. So it is possible that the price line may drop more, but unless this support of 200 weekly simple moving average is not broken down, it is there and giving support to the price line, we can expect that from here Bitcoin can start the next reversal move. And if we take a look at the previous high, that was approximately $19,500, then we can see still Bitcoin did not test its support, and we are very close to test this $19,500. It is also possible that we may have a long spike like we had here, a long spike in March 2020, and we are having a long spike to the downside, and we will have a long spike up to this support. And after this support, testing this support, Bitcoin may start the next reversal move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.